Today, we're exploring how to craft a beautiful stone cabin from the ground up. Let's jump right in. The process kicks off with excavating a rectangular pit, laying the groundwork for a stable foundation. Careful measurements are taken to ensure the pit is deep enough to support the weight of the stone cabin. Once dug, the ground is leveled, and string lines with stakes are used to clearly mark the boundaries. A simple mortar mix is created by combining soil and water, ready to bond the stones together. Large foundation stones are placed at the bottom of the pit, forming a solid and reliable base. Each stone is precisely positioned to create an even, well-leveled starting layer that supports the entire structure. Layer by layer, stones are stacked with mortar applied between them to form strong, cohesive walls. Great care is taken during stacking to ensure the walls remain straight, solid, and structurally reliable. Any excess mortar is carefully smoothed, resulting in a clean and professional finish across the stonework. A full inspection follows to verify the foundation's strength and alignment before moving forward with the build. Inside the cabin, a clay-based stove is constructed to serve both heating and cooking needs efficiently. The stove is shaped using stone and mortar, with thoughtful gaps left for optimal airflow and combustion. A grate made from sticks is added to boost stove performance, then tested for heat output and functionality. Wooden frames are mounted into the stone walls, forming a firm base for fitting windows and doors. Strong, weather-resistant wood is selected to enhance both the cabin's charm and its durability. Each wooden frame is carefully sized and set to fit snugly into the stone openings without gaps. Precision tools are used to lock the frames securely in place, ensuring a tight, weatherproof seal. To support the roof, wooden poles are cut and arranged inside the cabin, forming a temporary yet sturdy framework. This structural support provides a stable base and a safe working surface for accurately installing heavy roofing materials. Stones are carefully stacked on top of existing walls, gradually building them up to the required height. Mortar is spread between each stone layer to create a firm hold, reinforce the wall, and seal any gaps. Once the desired height is reached, the walls stand strong, forming a reliable base for both the roof and chimney. A chimney is constructed by stacking stones with mortar, built to last, and provide proper ventilation for the stove. A square opening is carved into the wall to channel smoke through the chimney and keep the cabin's interior air clean. Wooden logs are shaped with precision, and joints are crafted using mortise and tenon techniques for tight, secure fitting. These beams are then hoisted and placed horizontally across the stone walls to serve as key roof supports. Vertical posts are anchored into holes dug at the cabin's front, designed to bear the weight of the roof above. Each crafted wooden component fits seamlessly with the next, creating a dependable and traditionally inspired roof frame for the cabin. A ridge beam is set along the roof's peak, locked securely into the notches at each end of the structure. Rafters are installed next, lined up neatly with the ridge beam to outline the skeleton of the roof. Logs are added between the rafters, enhancing the roof's strength and reinforcing the overall framework. Additional rafters are installed to maintain even spacing and ensure the load is well distributed. Every rafter is fine-tuned and secured in place to uphold the strength and balance of the roof design. A full inspection of the roof structure is done to confirm accuracy and reliability before moving forward. Flat wooden planks are then laid over the rafters, forming the outer layer of the cabin's roof. These planks are locked in tightly using wooden dowels, finalizing a stable and durable roof surface. This technique locks the panels in place, ensuring the roof stays secure and weather-resistant through all seasons. Two handcrafted wooden ladders are set in place, allowing safe access to the roof for continued building work. The staggered design of the planks allows rainwater to flow off efficiently, boosting the roof's longevity and guarding against leaks. Excess plank sections are trimmed with a handsaw, resulting in a clean, accurate edge and professional finish. A custom wooden chimney cap is built to fit snugly, shielding the chimney from rain and falling debris. The cap also enhances the chimney's draft, helping smoke rise and exit more effectively. A wooden railing is added to the porch, increasing safety and adding charm while clearly outlining the porch space. Inside the cabin, the floor is leveled with simple tools to create a flat, even base for tiling. A layer of clay is applied across the smooth ground, forming a firm foundation for placing the tiles. Tiles are set one by one in a decorative mosaic layout, with careful attention to spacing and pattern consistency. Each tile is firmly pressed into place to ensure it bonds well and sits flush with the surface. Mortar is used to fill the joints between tiles, and excess is wiped clean for a smooth, finished appearance. The path area is dug out and leveled to prepare a solid base for building the walkway. Outside, the same tiling method is used at the entrance, adding durability and visual appeal. A walkway is under construction, making access to the cabin easier while improving the surrounding area's look. The soil around the entrance is leveled as well, creating a reliable surface for installing entry steps. Tiled steps are added for extra strength and style, giving the entrance a refined, finished appearance. Grass is being planted in the soil surrounding the cabin, adding a lively touch to the landscape. Fresh sod is laid to brighten the outdoor space and create a more welcoming environment. A rustic bed frame is crafted from thick logs, offering a sturdy and natural base for the sleeping area. Logs are thoughtfully arranged to form the frame of the bed, blending strength with a natural rustic style. Sturdy horizontal slats are attached across the frame, offering reliable support for the mattress area. Once assembled, the bed frame is checked for balance and strength, ensuring it's stable and ready for daily use. A compact table and small chair are handcrafted to perfectly complement the cabin's warm and cozy interior. Each furniture piece is built with attention to detail, ensuring precision, strength, and lasting quality. Crafting a wooden window frame demands patience and accuracy to make sure it fits seamlessly into the stone wall. The cabin door is made from tough, weather-resistant wood to provide security and withstand outdoor conditions. Hinges and a strong locking mechanism are added to the door, making it both secure and functional. Constructing a stone cabin on a budget takes thoughtful planning, smart material choices, and basic construction skills. Life in a stone cabin embraces simplicity and comfort, fostering a deeper bond with nature and a peaceful mindset. Stone cabins have long stood the test of time, valued for their resilience and natural insulation against the weather. Choosing to live in a stone cabin offers the benefits of energy efficiency, independence, and harmony with the environment. A smooth paste made from ember and water is applied to the stone walls as a protective and finishing layer. This step fills in any gaps, sealing the structure and boosting both its strength and visual appeal. The blend of solid stone and wooden features gives the cabin a timeless, rustic charm that truly captures attention.